That's more like it. We're waiting for the bride and the groom. We will be starting in about 5 minutes. If you want to get some food, if you want to get some drinks, please do that. We have a packed agenda, and the sooner we start, the more fun we can have. Looking forward to having a wonderful evening with every one of y'all. I'm Navneet Krishna. If y'all don't know me, I'm Deep's friend. I'm Deep's friend from Google, and we used to be in the same team. I used to manage Deep, and then it became so difficult that I had to leave Google after that. And so I left Google 4 years back because I couldn't manage Deep anymore. He's a very difficult person to manage, right? I'm sure you all know that by now, right? So I'm very excited to have a wonderful evening with all of you. This is a beautiful setting. Give them a big round of applause. This time of the year, you know, the air smells a little different. We're celebrating the journey of two wonderful people, the start of a wonderful journey. And can everyone make some noise for the bride and the groom? DJ, ladies and gentlemen, Deep and Disha Chatterjee. Deep. Come on to the stage. First here. Make some noise for the bride and the groom, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. This is before we start off a wonderful evening, I just want to ask you one thing. We're in the middle of a pandemic with so much happening, and despite this being in a completely different city, you see so many people that absolutely love the two of you all coming here to just be a part of this occasion. What do you have to say to everyone that's here?
I love each and every one of you going against all odds and making it here, especially people who have traveled from overseas and come. I would like to mention my little sister who's not here right now, I think, and my aunt. And yeah, I just hope you go back home safe, and I promise you that if you follow the hygiene and rules, it's gonna be all safe and you're gonna be all Omicron/COVID free. All right. ধন্যবাদ আসার জন্যে, আর আমরা খুব ফাটিয়ে মজা করবো আজকে।
Brother, there's so many people here, friends, family. You sort of imagine this day at some point of time in the last few months, years, whatever. It's finally here. What do you have to say?
I had a lot of things in mind, but I'm really nervous right now. I don't know what to say, but really a big thanks to everyone for making this event as fun as possible. And hopefully we'll have more energy. This is the last event for the night, so please get your alcohol, whatever you're drinking, and let's start the show.
Okay, sir. Now here's the thing. That's what he said. This is the last evening here for the wedding, right? I want to know, are you all ready to have fun? Make some noise. Let's go. How many of you all here are from Priyanjali's side? Is that the best that you all can do? You all can do better than that. On the count of 3, make some noise for Priyanjali. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, we'll see if that can be better. How many of you all are from Deep side here? Oh. Priyanjali says she wants you all to go once again. Make some noise for the bride, ladies and gentlemen. That's more like it. One final time, make some noise for both of them. This is Deep and Priyanjali. And we're going to have a wonderful evening. Thank you, guys. Please take your seat. We'll have a special seat right in the front. Get your alcohol. And like I said, I promise to have a wonderful evening, but you all need to be with me. We're going to make noise together. Are we good on that? Yeah? I have two other hosts with me. I'm not going to do it alone, so you won't hear only my voice and hear and look at only my face. I've got Miku and Ayan here as well. Come on, boys. The two boys are going to give me company. And Shayantan. If I pronounce the names properly, I'll be happy. All right, yeah, make some noise for the boys over here on the stage as well. If I knew Bengali, I didn't need these three. But I need them because I don't know any Bengali, right? Miku, what are you most excited about? Whose performance are you looking forward to?
Yeah, so firstly, why I'm here is because they needed someone younger also here. So Navneet's doing a fine job, but they needed someone younger, so that's why I'm here.
Darun Bangla.
And they needed someone in Bengali, so I'm একটু বাংলায় বলবো সবাইকে so that you can understand as well. And answering Navneet's question is, so whose performance, car performance, I'm looking forward to the most. Surprise, because I don't want to reveal anything yet, but it's someone from the bride side. So get ready for Ma, Rinka and Mom, because they're going to crash you all guys. Yes. Now I'm going to hand over to Ayun. Ayunda, please take it over.
টাইম নষ্ট করব না, আমরা সবাই এখানে আছি, দারুণ আনন্দ করব, প্রচুর পারফরমেন্স আছে, সবাই দারুণ এফর্ট দিয়েছে, তো সবাই এনকারেজ করবেন, সবাই হাততালি মারবেন, ভালো লাগুক বা না লাগুক। দাদা,
fantastic arrangement. Kudos to everyone who's done this. কি বাংলা খাবো না বলবো Okay, we hope that we have a fantastic evening tonight, and I'm looking forward to each and every performance because I know everybody has put in a lot of effort to give their best on the stage today. I hope the stage takes the weight of the performances.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Are we ready? We have a whole bunch of performances lined up for everyone, and every now and then I'll also have Akash come straight into my face with his camera as well. How many of you are here are from Calcutta? Who came here from Calcutta? Oh. More noise. Who's here from Calcutta? How many of you came from other parts of India? You know, now you want to hear actual noise. How many of you are here from Google? Make some noise. They are the worst. Don't ever join Google. If you get an opportunity, don't ever join Google. That is the thing. How many of you have come here from outside of India? We have someone from outside of India as well?
Me! Yes!
He's the biggest fraud ever, Deep Chatterjee. Yes.
From Zimbabwe.
From Zimbabwe. Huh? Okay, like, we are ready for our first performance, and it also happens to be the two youngest. Here they are right in front of me, the two youngest over here in this evening. We're going to start off this wonderful performance, and I want you all to give them the biggest round of applause and give them all the love. Come here, come here, come here, both of you. Orna and Ayush, come on, make some noise. Who's going to sing? Orna is going to sing, Ayush is going to dance. Are you all excited for this? Come. You're also going to sing. Come.
First she will sing and then
Yes. Come. Yeah. Come.
মোদের যেমনই খেলা তেমনি যে কাজ জানিস নে কি ভাই, তাই কাজকে কভু আমরা না ডরাই। মোদের যেমনই খেলা তেমনি যে কাজ জানিস নে কি ভাই, খেলা মোদের লড়াই করা, খেলা মোদের বাঁচা মরা রে, খেলা ছাড়া কিছুই কোথাও নাই, তোরা জানিস নে কি ভাই, মোদের যেমনই খেলা তেমনি যে কাজ জানিস নে কি ভাই, তাই কাজকে কভু আমরা না ডরাই। মোদের যেমনই খেলা তেমনি যে কাজ জানিস নে কি ভাই, খেলতে খেলতে ফুটেছে ফুল, খেলতে খেলতে ফল যে ফলে, খেলারই ঢেউ জলে স্থলে, ভয়ের ভীষণ রক্ত রাগে, খেলার আগুন যখন
Come on, give her a bigger round of applause, Sorna. Thank you so much, Sorna. Thank you. Now we've got the superstar here. He's ready to sing for you or dance?
Sing.
Okay, go.
Spend 24 hours, many more hours with you.
Music. Why is the music playing?
You spend the weekend getting even. Ooh. You spend the late nights making things right between us. Now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close. Cause girls like you run around, guys like me sit down and come true. And girls like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, yeah. Me too, and come true. And girls like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I ain't girls like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I ain't girls like you. Late night, making things like to you. Hey. We spend the days like trying to do things right between us. Now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close. Cause girls like you run around, guys like me sit down and come true. I ain't girls like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, yeah. Me too, and come true. I ain't girls like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I ain't girls like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I ain't girls like you, yeah, yeah. I ain't girls like you. I ain't girls like you. I ain't girls like you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ayush. That was very good. Thank you so much. All right, so give him a big round of applause. DJ, you can continue your music. All right, we have a whole host of performances lined up for you this evening. We also have the dance floor open later on, and the DJ is going to entertain us. There's a lot of food, there's a lot of alcohol, so plenty to give us company over the next couple of hours. But before we get to the performances, we have something very, very special, made just for, well, the bride and the groom, and particularly the groom over here. You know, the only reason I feel sad for, or feel bad, rather, sad's not the right word, bad for Disha once she goes to Deep's house, is I don't know how much time she's going to get to spend time with Deep, because of the two other people who will always be there in that house. Do you know who that is? Who are those two other people who will always be there? Yeah, I'm sure Disha has an answer.
One would be Dexter and the other one would be Vasu.
If you don't know who Vasu is, Vasu, can you stand? He's the smartest person here this evening. Chote Nawab. Yes. Okay, actually both the answers are wrong. Where's Ayan? Come here, Ayan. Yes, Ayan. I know how close the two of them are, and he's made something very special. Where's Akash? Where's Akash? He's with his camera for sure. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he spends most of his time with Akash and Ayan, and I don't know how much time Deep will ever get to spend with Disha, but it is what it is. But over the next 5 minutes, what I want you all to see is they've made a special little video, okay? The two boys who mean the most in his life, and for all the time that they spent together, they put a little video together for the bride and groom, and particularly for Deep, so enjoy this little something from Ayan and Akash.
Deep, are ready? The pre-wedding shoot is on. that moment you fell in love with?
Going to be a little serious answer, not Shabla. I think it was when you refused to give up on me no matter what.
বেসিক্যালি আমি তোকে মজার আনসার বলি। তো প্রথম এক মাস দেখার পর বলছে যে আমি না তোর জন্য রান্না করে আসবো। তো এনেছে মাংস ঝোল ভাত এনেছে দিয়ে খাইয়েছে, তো খুব ভালোই খেলাম। 2 মাস পরে যখন ওর বাড়িতে যাই, ওর মাসি জিজ্ঞেস করছে মাংসের ঝোলটা কেমন ছিল। বুঝে গেছি যে কিরকম আছে।
ক্যাবলা ছিল, এখন যতই স্মার্ট, ছোটবেলা ততই ক্যাবলা। বাবা এরকম করে তাকাতো, কিছু বলতেও না, জাস্ট এরকম করে তাকাতো আর করে কাঁদতে শুরু করে দিত। আর খুবই একটা মানে ক্যাবলা টাইপের ছিল, সারাক্ষণ মার ওপরে লটকে থাকতো। আর কোনো যদি মেয়েরা একটু বড় হলো, যখন মেয়েরা একটু ওকে পাত্তা দিত বা ওর পেছনে, ও আমার পেছনে দৌড়ে 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 পালিয়ে যেত। এত লাজুক ছিল, সেরকম অপোজিট হয়ে গেল যখন বড় হয়ে গেল।
If I have to describe দীপ, ওর পুরো দিনের রুটিনটা, যে দীপ কি করে। দীপ সকালবেলা যখন ঘুম থেকে উঠবে তখন একটা একদম ওয়ার্নিং হচ্ছে ওর কাছে যাবেন না, কারণ ওই সকালবেলা যখন ঘুম থেকে ওঠে তখন ওর মুভ ইজ লাইক সিরিয়াসলি বাট ইনফিনিটি। তারপর ও খবরের কাগজ পড়বে, কারণ গেটিং ইনফরমেশন ফর হিম ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, বিকজ ওটা নিয়ে আরো 4 জনের তোকে ডিবেটে জড়াতে হয় পুরো দিকে। দেন হিজ মিটিং উইল স্টার্ট অ্যান্ড হি উইল বি বিজি এনাফ, অ্যান্ড আফটার দ্যাট ল্যাড দিস ইজ দীপ।
মজার গল্প মনে আছে যখন আমরা ক্রিকেট ম্যাচ খেলছিলাম, দীপ অনেক বড় ব্যাটসম্যান, সবাই সেটা জানে, কিন্তু আঙ্কেলের বলে আউট হয়ে গেছিল। এরকম ফুল টস বল ছিল, মারতে গিয়ে বল।
Priyanjali is a very pretty and bubbly girl. She loves to dance, write. She also loves cooking. Sometimes she wants the kitchen all by herself.
আমার ঠাকুমা বলতো যে ছোটবেলা থেকে এত কিছু লিখে ফেলতো কাগজ পেলেই যে ওর বড় হয়ে ডাক্তার হবে। And over time she has grown into a beautiful woman.
She's got a very, very big heart and she can do anything for anybody if asked for.
ও যখন হয় আর নার্স যখন ওকে ওটি থেকে বের করে আনে, we saw a beautiful 10-pound baby on the tray. তখন থেকে ওর হাত দুটো মুঠো করা। So from that day onwards we started calling her Motuguli.
Just to describe her in one line, she's a pure soul, full of laughter and someone who can one confide in. At times she is mischievous, but that brings out a childishness in her.
She is a beautiful girl with a beautiful heart. She is caring, she is helpful. We love her too much.
প্রিয়াঞ্জলি, পুটুরানি বা গুলগুলি, যে নামেই ওকে ডাকি না কেন, ও আমাদের সকলের আদরের। সময়ের সাথে সাথে ছোট্ট পুটুরানি হয়ে উঠল সুন্দরী প্রিয়াঞ্জলি। আজ ওর জীবনের বৈবাহিক সম্পর্কের যাত্রাপথে জানাই আমার আন্তরিক শুভকামনা।
আমরা যারা সবাই জানি যে ম্যারেজ ইজ আ মেড ইন হেভেন, so she's got a perfect life partner, Deep. When Deep came into the family, everybody was overjoyed. The sisters, they didn't know what to do with him. They were all so happy.
He did so well in his studies as later on, and in spite of his cricketing, the amount of time and energy he has spent, and he did so well in his sports, I think that's incredible.
He's doing very well for himself. Nice expression. He's a honorable, caring, and successful person now.
He's, I would say, grown to be a very complete human being. And he's compassionate, he's responsible, and he's analytical, and all possibly I could ask for in my son.
I'm extremely happy that Guli and are getting married at Jagannath Dham, which we long cherished. I wish them
तो वेरी हैप्पी एंड लॉन्ग मैरिड लिव्स।
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है
Thank you guys. Big thank you to Ayan and Akash for that wonderful video. It probably took Deep and Priyanjali down memory lane. Alright, we're all set for our performances. Now is where all the energy, all the music and all the dancing is going to happen. Are we excited? Are we ready? Little more noise. Are we ready? Okay, the first performance is by the most important person in this event. Come here, Roshni. This person has more love to give than anyone else in the world. Do you agree? She's the one person. So you know, I just know everyone in the family well enough by now, and have had the opportunity to spend so much time with them and make many trips to Calcutta just to do two things mainly. One is to eat all the fish and to eat all the sweets. Every time I go home, auntie will keep all the sweets possible and uncle will cook everything that he knows, right? And he's a wonderful cook, you all know that. The one thing that every time you enter that house, and I'm sure every one of you all will agree, is the amount of love that is there for each and every one in that family. And God's grace, it always stays the same. But the five of them until now, which is Uncle, Auntie, Ayan, Roshni and Deep, and now the sixth member has joined that family. I can also add a seventh, Wes Dexter. I don't know if he's around over here. But I know one thing that Disha will get. She will get plenty of love, plenty of affection. Yes, and she already does, right? And may it always continue to be that way. And the one person that keeps that family together is this person over here on my left, right? So she's always going to be the most special member there. And she's going to start off this evening with a wonderful performance with all her sisters. Is that right? All right. Make some noise for Roshni and everyone else, all her cousins, for the first performance. Disha is there on stage. Come on, ladies and gentlemen.
ভাবনারে কি হাওয়ায় মাতালো দোলে মন
Some more noise for that. That was a wonderful performance by Roshni and all the wonderful ladies looking beautiful on stage. I'm going to call upon Vishrupda onto the stage. And he has a special performance lined up for us. Make some noise, please. Thank you.
কোনো গান মানে বাজনা টাজনা কিছু নেই, খালি গলায় গাইছি, ঠিক আছে? চলো, with your keep your hands together please. बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल रुबा टाले हो, टाले हो, टाले हो। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल रुबा टाले हो। हाँ जी हाँ, हम भी होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, हर बिठर है जा रहा, हाँ बिठर है जा। हाँ जी हाँ, बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल रुबा टाले हो, टाले हो, टाले हो। बस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Don't be shy. Next up, thank you so much for that performance. Next up, we have the boys here from Deep Side who are going to have a sizzling performance lined up for everyone. You're needed on stage. DJ, can we have some music, please, in the background? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. There's a lot of food over here. There's plenty of alcohol there. I know I don't need to tell you all, but please make yourself comfortable. Get food, get alcohol. We're just getting started. Plenty of wonderful performances lined up for you. And I really don't know why we have someone between the bride and the groom. You all found the missing one? Ladies and gentlemen, the boys, come on. Give them a big round of applause.
সবথেকে ভালো হবে, হাততালি দেবেন। আমার কিছু করার
ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई साथी है।
है, वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है।
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना। जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम। बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना। ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है, जाने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना।
Now that is what you call a performance. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So much fire, so much passion. Well done, Deep. He is quite the dancer. All right, do we have the next performance ready? We have the next performance ready, and who's that? Come on, Meek. I am guaranteeing you, nothing is going to be better than what you saw on the stage right now.
That's a tough one, Navneet. First of all, respect to the boys. Great performance out there. Well done. Very nice. But sorry, the next one, it will be better. And I'll just tell you the two people jara nachte asche. So please welcome, first of all, the bride, Gigi, who I call proudly, a lot of love, Priyanjali. And accompany her, our mother, Kakoli, who I call mom. Gigi and mom, stage is all yours. Now you guys decide which one was better.
Thank you, Miku. Come on, guys, make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the two wonderful ladies on the stage. Thank you. DJ.
सुंदर साड़ी कमर भीज के लाइना, छाता थोड़ा के तेरा ऐसन सुंदर खोपा कमर भीज के लाइना। रिमी झिमी पानिया बरस के लाइना, रिमी झिमी पानिया बरस के लाइना। ऐसन सुंदर खोपा कमर भीज के लाइना, छाता धरा के देवरा ऐसन सुंदर साड़ी खमर भीज के लाइना छाता धरा के देवरा ऐसन सुंदर खोपा खमर भीज के लाइना माछा मधे देखली माकुर माछाना माछा मधे देखली माकुर माछाना एरम पीना पानी माछ तोर खलेना एरम पीना पानी माछ तोर खलेना छाता धर के तेरा ऐसन सुंदर साड़ी खमर भीज के लाइना छाता धर के तेरा ऐसन सुंदर खोपा खमर भीज के लाइना
होय 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 सैया छेड़ देवे ननद चुटकी लेवे ससुराल गेंदा फूल सास गाड़ी देवे देवर समझा लेवे ससुराल गेंदा फूल छोड़ा बाबुल कांद ना भावे डेरा पिया का सास गाड़ी देवे देवर जी समझा लेवे ससुराल गेंदा
Come on, make some noise.
ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान ये शौखियाँ ये बातपन जो तुझमें है कहीं नहीं ये शौखियाँ ये बातपन जो तुझमें है कहीं नहीं दिलों को जीतने का फन जो तुझमें है कहीं
A big round of applause for the bride, the groom, and
मैं तेरी आँखों में पा गया दो जहां मैं तेरी आँखों में पा गया दो जहां ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी
come on, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, the bride and the groom.
है हंसी हाल में जवान तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान
Thank you, Disha, thank you, Deep.
I had to improvise. This was impromptu. Wow.
It's not easy to take all the limelight away from the wonderful bride, but you were so beautiful in all the dancing that you did. I just want to, I think everyone here want to hear from you. Tell us a little bit about how excited you are for this day. You are looking forward to this. And you know what? If you ask me to talk about Deep, I will say that after a few more drinks. Okay? But I want you to tell everyone what you think about Deep and the family and how happy you are to the house that she's going into.
I think I'm blessed to get someone like Deep and the family. পুরো ভগবানের দেওয়া আশীর্বাদ ভালোবাসা এর থেকে ভালো আর আমি কিছু চাইতে পারতাম না বোধহয় কারোর কাছে দীপ তো আছে ওর নাম যেরকম দীপ নারায়ণ চট্টোপাধ্যায় ও সত্যি নারায়ণ No, it is true. It is true. It is true. So his full name is Deep Narayan.
That's not my name.
So to me, he's really Narayan because God মানে ওই রূপেই ও এসছে আমার মেয়ের জীবনে আর ওর বাবা মার কথা দিদির কথা জামাইবাবুর কথা বলে শেষ করা যাবে না শুধুমাত্র অনেক আমি বলেই যেতে পারি কিন্তু পুরো রাত্রি চলে যেতে পারে কিন্তু আই অ্যাম রিয়েলি ইনডেটেড আই এম রিয়েলি thankful to God that my daughter is married to a family where she will be treated like a queen, and she will be safeguarded and loved to the T.
Thank you so much, auntie, and I couldn't agree more. Thank you so much.